everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to verify PayPal account. So let's get started. So there are a few ways by which you can verify your PayPal account. One of them is by adding and confirming a bank account, and then you can also apply for being approved for a PayPal credit product. Now what you will need to do is to go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side you'll see a pay and get paid section. Hover over it and now you'll see banks and card. Click on it. Now scroll all the way at the bottom and you'll go to the bank section and now click on link a bank. Now in here click on link a US bank instead if you have a US bank, or just enter your account number over here and click on link your bank. Now once the bank account is added, click on it and now scroll down and you'll see a yellow section. On the bottom click on send deposits. Now click on request deposits and this will confirm that this is your bank account. Now also make sure that there are no login issues or problems. So just on the top right hand side click on your profile and go into account settings, and now you'll see that there are no restrictions over here. Now just in case if you still have any problems, click on your profile on the top right hand side and go to the help center, and now scroll all the way at the bottom and click on contact us, and now scroll all the way at the bottom and you'll see a call us section. So just call them and they will help you in verifying the process. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.